all right? Think about this for a second. You got smoke detectors, you got alarms for burglars, but what are you doing about the single biggest, most expensive threat to your home? Today, we're gonna talk about a problem that can easily cost you thousands and a pretty smart gadget that can actually pay for itself.
Yeah, just look at that number, $12,000. That's not some crazy outlier. That's the average insurance claim for water damage. We're not talking about a little puddle you can mop up. A burst pipe or a busted water heater means your floors are ruined, your walls are trashed. It's a total nightmare. This isn't some small risk we're talking about. It's a financial gut punch just waiting to land.
And if you think, oh, that won't happen to me, check this out. Water damage makes up almost 30% of all home insurance claims. That's more than fire, more than theft. It is one of the biggest reasons people have to call their insurance company, which means for a lot of homeowners, it's not really a question of if it'll happen, but when. So what can you do about it? How do you fight back? Well, it all comes down to this little insurance secret that honestly most people have no idea about. There's a device out there that doesn't just stop that $12,000 disaster, it can literally pay for itself before it ever even has to stop a leak. Okay, so there are basically two kinds of leak detectors you can buy. On one hand, you've got these cheap little spot sensors. They're fine, they're helpful, but your insurance company, they don't really care. You're not gonna get much of a discount. But then you've got the whole home systems, the ones with automatic shutoffs. These are the game changers. These are the ones that can get you some serious discounts. We're talking up to 50% off your water damage premium. Let's translate that into actual dollars and cents. We're talking about saving anywhere from, say, $55 to as much as $500 every single year just on your insurance bill. All of a sudden, that $500 device doesn't really seem like an expense, does it? It's an investment, and it starts paying you back from the moment you install it. Okay, so which one should you actually get? We've gone ahead and tested the top players in the game, the ones that'll actually get you those discounts. So let's kick off our countdown starting at number 5 and find the absolute best value you can get right now. All right, kicking things off at number 5, we've got the budget champion, the Govee Wi-Fi Water Leak Detector. If you're just looking to, dip your toe in the water, sorry, couldn't resist, this is where you start. For around 30, maybe $40, you get a 3-pack of these little sensors. They have a super loud 100 decibel alarm, which is great, perfect for renters or for tucking under sinks and behind toilets. But here's the big catch. There's no automatic shutoff. It'll scream at you when there's a problem, but it can't actually fix it for you. And that's why, it's not gonna get you those big insurance discounts we've been talking about. Moving on to number 4, we have the YoLink Water Leak Sensor Kit. And this one is what I'd call the long-range specialist. So what's the deal with YoLink? It all comes down to something called LoRa technology. You can just forget about Wi-Fi range issues. These sensors can communicate with their hub from a quarter mile away. No joke. So if you've got a huge house, or maybe a barn, or a separate guest house, this is the system for you. The trade-off? The setup is a little clunky compared to a straight Wi-Fi system, but for that incredible range and a battery life of like 5 years, it's an absolute powerhouse. All right, coming in at number 3 is our first true whole home contender, the Flow by Moen ecosystem. Now we're getting into the really serious stuff, the comprehensive protection. Now, the smartest way to use this is to combine Moen's main shutoff valve with their little spot sensors. That combo gives you total blanket coverage. And the sensors are cool. They even track temperature to give you a heads up about freezing pipes. But, and this is a big but, the most frustrating thing is you need 2 separate Moen apps to run everything. I have no idea why they did this. It's a truly baffling decision that just makes the whole thing more complicated than it needs to be. Okay, our runner-up, taking the number 2 spot, is the Phyn Plus 2nd Gen. And let me tell you, from a pure tech perspective, this thing is an absolute marvel. So instead of just measuring how much water is flowing, Phyn uses what they call high-definition pressure wave analysis. It's literally listening to the sound of the water in your pipes. It can hear the acoustic signature of a tiny drip, which lets it detect leaks with just incredible accuracy. But, and there's always a but, it's expensive. Plus, its alerts are only push notifications. The Moen system will actually start robocalling you if things go really wrong. So is all that fancy tech worth the extra money for the average person? Honestly, we don't think so. So that brings us to our number 1 pick. What were we looking for? We wanted this system that just hits that perfect sweet spot, the best mix of performance, price, and most importantly, the one that can unlock those huge insurance savings. And the winner is The Flow by Moen Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff. This single device really sets the standard for what serious leak protection should be. Look, it's not the absolute fanciest tech on the list, but it offers by far the best overall value for most homeowners out there.
So let's just paint a picture of how this thing actually saves your bacon. Imagine a pipe bursts inside one of your walls. It's just dumping water, maybe 10 gallons a minute, into your home. The flow valve spots that crazy, abnormal flow in under a minute. And bam, it automatically shuts off your main water line. Just like that. What could have been a $12,000 catastrophe is now maybe 20 gallons of water and a pretty minor repair job. That right there is the power of this thing. But it's not just about the big disasters, right? This thing is also proactive. Get this, a whopping 60% of people who install it find a hidden leak they had no idea about within the first 30 days. We're talking about a leaky toilet flapper, a tiny crack in an irrigation pipe, all those little problems that are just quietly draining your wallet every month on your water bill. So let's just run the numbers real quick. You're probably looking at around $150 a year in insurance savings. Then you add another, let's say, $150 in savings on your water bill from catching those sneaky leaks. That's $300 back in your pocket every single year. The system itself costs about $500, plus installation, so it completely pays for itself in about 3 to 5 years. And after that, it's just pure savings. Okay, so maybe you're convinced, but now the question is, what exactly should you buy? Let's break this down into a really clear, simple strategy based on what you're willing to spend. Here's the simple guide. If your budget is around $200, just grab a 4-pack of those Govee sensors. No, you won't get the big insurance discounts, but you'll be protected against probably 80% of the most common leaks. Now, the real sweet spot, the smart money, is in that $800 range. Here's what you do. You get the Flow by Moen valve. That gets you the insurance discount and the whole home shutoff. And then you sprinkle in a few Govee sensors for that extra peace of mind. And hey, if you've got a really high-value home, then going for the full Moen ecosystem is probably your best move. So I'll just leave you with this thought. You've probably invested a lot in protecting your home from the obvious stuff, right? Fire, theft. But are you actually protected from the one threat that's statistically most likely to happen? That $12,000 problem isn't just some vague possibility. For a lot of people,